And it was even water. I don't know either. I did it enough to say no. It's fine. It's cold. Or not, you know, something you take. Make sure you grab it. We're getting more like Roma style like. Olive oil, olive oil. Lemonade, keep it. Can you please do it in clean love? I'm not sure they say that every time you like. There's a way to talk to them. When George was in school, junior high must have been, you got like for the best hair. Remember that? And then he dyed it Yamaha blue because he was racing, and then they made him shave his head because he dyed it blue. Nowadays, kids have every color you can think of. Who's favorite color? And he's teaching at 2:30 class. Oh boy. I make this make sense. No, it doesn't make sense. Well, oh it's an elective, it's a Native American history class. A Native American history? Yeah. Of all things, you teach it, you say.